What's up, homies? B.S.Mason, the girl here. And today, I'm going on this adventure. Just walking around my neighborhood. Let's chase that squirrel. Get him! 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 Let me stop before he jump on my face. No, I just imagined that the squirrel was gonna jump on my face. Like, you know what? Forget this. I'ma get her. Ah! Jump on my face. I'm going crazy. Try to fight a squirrel that's on my face. Oh my gosh. Why am I coming back here? I really don't know. I don't know why I'm coming back here. Back here, this is where they say those clowns were when that clown rumor was going around. And one night, I could have sworn I saw something red come out of those trees. Or go back in the trees. But I was too scared. So I told everybody to go in the house. Keep recording the trees. Keep recording the trees. See what happens. No! Oh no! No! What the? A baby? Where does kill a baby come from? I'm just playing. I set her right there. I set her right there.
What was you scared about? Why did you run over there?
Bro, I heard something in the trees. Hey, Brian. Brian, go football practice, y'all.
Baby.
No, it's not no real baby. Alright, we're gonna go back and investigate. I know I'm black and I'm not supposed to go investigate, but we're gonna do it anyway. Whew, I'm tired. When I ran the scream, the squirrel ran too. But no. I don't know if you guys heard it, but something was, in fact, in those trees, and I heard it. I don't know why I'm coming back here. But I know I'm safe because I got you guys with me. But if it is a clown, I know you guys will be there to protect me. Alright. We're gonna stand right here. Away from the nets though. I know you're in there, clown! And I'm not scared of you. Well, maybe a little. Okay. If it is a clown, I don't know if it is. We won't be able to see it. Did you guys just hear that? Please tell me you heard that. Back up slowly. Okay, I don't know what it was, but we'll come back tomorrow and investigate. Because I am too terrified to even go back bottom trees right now. I will come back tomorrow. Hopefully, when I have like a witness with me who knows what happens. But in the meantime, I need to go back in this house and get away from these trees. Because that was just crazy. Is that that squirrel? Is that that squirrel? Hold on, no, that's the tree. Who peeled the tree? Somebody peeled the tree. No. Ain't no animal gonna peel no tree like this. So who peeled the tree? Hey, squirrel! Who peeled your tree? That's the squirrel don't know. We'll come back to more of this investigation tomorrow. B.S.Mason, the girl, out. Peace!